Oreo Biscuit Factory. How it's made. In USA, India, and Pakistan, a factory BTS Original Milk's favorite cookie. The black and white icon, a bite of crunch, a twist, a dunk, and you're in a world of flavor that billions know and love. We're talking about the one and only Oreo. But how are these world-famous cookies made at such a massive scale? In countries as far apart as the United States, India, and Pakistan. Today on Factory BTS, we take you deep inside the Oreo production lines. From raw ingredients to perfectly packed cookies. To uncover how this global snack is engineered with consistency and care. Global demand, local production. Oreo is produced in more than 18 countries, with key factories in Fair Lawn, New Jersey, and Richmond, Virginia, USA, Badi, Himachal Pradesh, and Sri City, Andhra Pradesh, India, Sundar, Industrial Estate, Lahore, Pakistan. Despite local sourcing and slight flavor variations, all Oreo factories follow the same master recipe and strict global quality standards set by its parent company, Mondelez International. Step 1. Ingredient handling. It all begins with carefully sourced ingredients. Wheat flour, cocoa powder, alkalized for deep color, palm oil, sugar, cornstarch, leavening agents like baking soda, salt, vanilla essence. These arrive in bulk and are stored in automated silos and sealed containers to maintain hygiene and freshness. Before anything enters the mixer, ingredients are weighed with extreme precision, down to the gram, using programmable batching systems. Step 2. Cookie dough mixing. Next, the dry ingredients are combined with palm oil, water, and flavorings in large planetary mixers. The result is a thick, dark chocolate dough, dense but pliable. It's mixed for just the right time to create the signature Oreo crunch. Not too hard, not too soft. Step 3. Molding and printing. The dough is fed into a rotary molder, a giant machine with engraved molds that give each biscuit its detailed design, the flower patterns, the word Oreo, and the outer ridges. Each cookie is formed and stamped in a single movement, then placed onto a moving baking belt. Even in India and Pakistan, this molding design is identical to that of US factories, ensuring global consistency in branding and design. Step 4. Baking. The molded cookies enter industrial tunnel ovens up to 100 feet long. The temperature reaches over 200 degrees Celsius, 392 F. In just 4 to 5 minutes, the dough firms up into crispy, rich chocolate biscuits. As they exit the oven, infrared sensors monitor color, shape, and moisture content. If even one batch bakes unevenly, it's automatically removed from the line. Step 5. Cooling. After baking, the cookies travel through cooling conveyors for about 12 to 15 minutes. This prevents the cream from melting during the next step. Fans circulate filtered air to bring the cookies to the optimal temperature for filling. Step 6. The cream sandwiching. Now comes the magic moment. The Oreo sandwich. White vanilla-flavored cream is extruded from precision filling machines onto one biscuit. The second biscuit is then placed on top, all at speeds of up to 300 sandwiches per minute. In some regions, like India and Pakistan, Oreo also makes custom flavors such as chocolate, orange, or strawberry cream, mango, or cardamom seasonal editions. But the sandwiching process remains identical worldwide. Step 7. Quality control. Every Oreo is scanned with high-speed cameras and X-ray sensors to ensure the right amount of cream, proper alignment, no cracks or air bubbles, correct weight and moisture levels. Manual spot checks are also done by quality inspectors. Any defective cookies are rejected and recycled into animal feed or compost. Nothing goes to waste. Step 8. Packaging and coating. The Oreos are now counted and slid into horizontal floor-wrap packaging machines. Each pack is heat-sealed for freshness, printed with batch codes, expiration dates, and country of origin, packed into cartons for retail or bulk distribution in Pakistan and India. Packs are often made in smaller, affordable sizes like 3-packs or 6-packs. In the US, family-size packs, snack sleeves, and resealable trays are more common. Step 9. Distribution. The finished boxes are robotically packaged, shrink-wrapped, and stored in temperature-controlled warehouses before being shipped to supermarkets, bakeries, airports, and vending machines worldwide. Whether you're biting into an Oreo in New York, Mumbai, or Lahore, it's gone through the same carefully engineered steps, delivering that same satisfying twist, lick, and dunk every time. A global cookie, made locally from cocoa farms to cookie cutters, from mixers in New Jersey to ovens in Punjab. Each Oreo is a blend of global standardization and local efficiency, proof that great taste knows no borders. This is the incredible journey of Oreo. This is Factory B.